honor, I'd like to introduce our fabulous ballet instructors, Miss Ellie Moser and Miss Heather Clark. I'm Christina Godwin.
Christina Godwin, owner of Christina's Dance World, it's on St. Simon's Island, is helping little dancers discover their inner happiness. So look at this beauty. She worked as a lead dancer and illusionist assistant in the Siegfried and Roy show in Las Vegas. Was also a company manager and a professional entertainer for Norwegian and Crystal Cruise Lines.
Christina is an encourager. She lights up the room when she walks in with that energy and that joy that only she can have.
There's so many kids that are left out and left behind. Not only is it a money issue, but it's also a physical issue for some of these children. Christina just sees all through that. It blows my mind, honestly, because she sees the heart of these children and the potential that they have.